Hey guys, Ratonia here, and I wanted to take a moment to talk to my folks who are in search of a condo. Condos are a great way if you want to have that kind of apartment living, but also have the ownership, don't necessarily want to deal with a yard or ground maintenance or taking out the trash and things like that. Condos are great. One thing that you want to consider when searching for a condo is that there are condo association fees, and it really ranges in terms of what that includes. So for some condo association fees, that may include all of your utilities. Some association fees may cover more of like the grounds and the landscaping. So just make sure that you think about that, because that's going to be an additional amount on top of your mortgage. So for example, if your mortgage is $1,000 and then your condo association fees are $500, that's going to be $1,500 a month in a payment. So it's just something that you really want to consider, and you'll really work with your mortgage lender to run the numbers to make sure that you can afford everything in your total payment. All right? Thanks.